Hi there! Today we're going to unbox LUMA. LUMA is a friendly, programmable robot designed to make computer science fun and engaging for all students, no matter their background or interests. Students will join LUMA on an exciting journey to learn all about coding through career exploration. Let's get started. When LUMA arrives, it will come in this handy box, which doubles as a storage container. Inside the box, you'll find a letter from LUMA's inventors. More on that in a minute. A LUMA robot, a USB cable, 14 adapter pegs, which are compatible with LEGO Technic pegs, 2 hex wrenches, 4 AA batteries, and a getting started card. LUMA also comes with access to the web app and curriculum, as well as digital student and teacher resources. Now let's take a look at the robot. LUMA is ready to use right out of the box. No assembly needed. Students can also customize their robot. You'll notice the shell and chassis have holes that allow for attachments to be added. The holes are compatible with LEGO Technic pegs and beams. Students can simply pop them into the chassis and then add their LEGO elements. Students can also use common items such as pipe cleaners, construction paper, and cardboard to decorate their bot. LUMA's shell also allows for a marker to be inserted. There's a letter in the box from LUMA's inventors, MJ and Sharon, who are inviting students to take part in LUMA's story. Through the story, students will meet several career professionals who want to use robots to help with their jobs. As students work through the content, they'll learn how to program LUMA to complete tasks and evaluate whether robots are a good fit for each industry. In the end, students decide which industry LUMA would fit best. LUMA's content is student-facing and includes step-by-step video instructions with vibrant animations. LUMA also includes a ton of educator resources, including a teacher's guide, user guide, solution code, standards alignment document, and PowerPoint lessons covering coding and technology concepts. Now you're all set to light up learning with LUMA in your classroom.